If you don't see incoming calls from WhatsApp on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, if they do not display on the phone, the first thing that you can do is you can go to settings. Over here in settings, proceed to sound and vibration, and then in here you should be able to find do not disturb. You want to make sure that the ND mode is not activated. There is also the schedule option, so of course you want to make sure that there is no schedule created for the DND mode, unless of course you want to actually use it, but just keep in mind that if you have the DND mode activated, then calls are not going to be displayed. Another thing that you can do if you didn't have the DND mode activated is you can go to apps in settings. Over here we need to find WhatsApp. There we go. And over here you can go to notifications, and you want to make sure that all necessary notifications are enabled. So in my case I had them disabled, so of course make sure that notifications are on. You can also toggle permanent notifications, lock screen notifications, sound and vibration over here. We can also go through all of these different categories in order to make sure that everything that is important is enabled. Like for example group notifications, message notifications, and so on and so forth. So while that might not be specifically related to calling, of course it might be worth enabling them anyway. There's also additional settings in the app which you can use to check out the notification settings inside the app, which of course you want to check as well. Other than that, we can also go to app permissions, and you want to make sure that all the necessary permissions are granted. So just in case, we can of course go through this list and we can grant all the permissions that we have in here. So let me just quickly do so. Of course, not every single one of them has to be granted to make sure that that the app can display incoming calls, but still I think it's just better to do so, especially the phone app over here. Sorry, not the phone app, but the phone permission over here. It definitely has to be granted, and yeah, and probably some other stuff like the call logs in here, contacts maybe, and so on. Now, we can also find this option, manage app if unused, which removes permissions or delete temporary files, stop notifications, and so on and so forth. You might want to disable this option as well. Alright, and if you still cannot see incoming calls, what you can do is you can clear the data. So if you tap on clear data button in here, we have the clear cache option. You might also find clear all data. First, you can just clear cache from the app. And if you have the option to clear all data, you can try to do that as well. However, keep in mind that you are going to be probably locked out of your account on WhatsApp. So also make sure to make a backup of your chats and conversations, and all the messages are backed up. Make sure that they are backed up so you don't lose them in the process. And of course, make sure that you remember the password to your account if necessary, because of course you will have to probably log back in to your to the app. And if none of this helps, the last thing that you can do is you can simply uninstall the app completely, remove it from your phone, and then install it one more time. So you can go to the Play Store, of course, and install the app one more time, and hopefully then you will be able to see incoming calls again on your POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max. Leave a like and subscribe.